up, you guys? Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you watched my last YouTube video. So in this video today, I'm going to be doing a haul slash try on video. I ordered some stuff off this online clothing website. It's called Adika, I believe. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but I hope it is. So I'm just going to go ahead and try on the clothes and see what I got. I honestly don't even remember what I ordered, so it's going to be pretty exciting opening it. All right, let's get on to the video. Alright, here I have the first thing. Again, no idea what it is, so let's open it up and find out. Fly it out. Okay, so this is like a dress, I guess. This one was $45. It's nice that these actually have the price tags on them, so I know how much they are. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and try this one on. Alright, so here is this dress. I like it. It's a really stretchy material. The only thing is that it's a little itchy. I wasn't expecting it to be as itchy as it is, but hopefully, like, wearing it, I'll get used to that. But I do like how it's off the shoulders, and it's pretty form-fitting. It fits me well. I like dresses that, like, are tight, you know, around the waist and everything, so they look like this. So yeah, I mean, this one's cute. This one's cute. Again, I could do without the itchiness, but what can you do? All right, open the next thing. It's so exciting. I feel like this is like Christmas. I'm like, I don't even remember what I got. Okay, let's see what this one is. What is this? Okay, so this is like a dress too, I think. So this one has like a little slit in the middle. I don't know why I keep saying I think it's a dress. Like, obviously it's a dress. That's pretty obvious, but whatever. So this one's cute. I'm gonna go ahead and try this one on, and I'll be right back. Alright, and this is this one. Okay, so I think this one definitely beats the last one. This one was $64, and I forgot to mention too, this one's a size small, and the last one was too. So this one, I like how it's like really tight on the bottom, but on the top it's more like a oversized kind of sweatshirt, sort of. Like, it's a lot looser. So I like that a lot, and I like that it has a little slit here. This one's a lot softer than the last one, so it's not super itchy. And yeah, I really like this one. Alright, and let's open up the next thing that I got. This looks like a blazer or something. I was trying to get some more like mature looking clothes, I guess, from this company. I don't know, I just feel like my style's been changing a lot, and I felt like I needed like a wardrobe makeover. So I've been kind of trying to get as many new things as I can. Trying to figure out where to open this from. Okay, oh yeah, so this is like a little cropped blazer. This one is really cute. This one was $60, so I'm gonna go ahead and try this one on. Alright, and this is this one. So I'm actually really in love with this one too. I've never ordered from this clothing store before, but so far I'm really loving the quality. It feels good quality. It's not like super thick, but I like that it's a little thinner because it's good to wear in the summer. I live in Arizona, and it's already like 100 degrees outside, so I can wear this. And I like it with the jeans. These are just from like Forever 21, I think. So it's not too businessy. I can kind of like dress it down a little bit. I could also wear it with like a high-waisted skirt or something. That would go really cute with it too. So this one I absolutely love. I love it. I don't have any like cropped blazers like this, so this is a new one for me. Alright, and the next thing I'm going to try on is going to be this dress. I went a little dress crazy. So yeah, I'm going to go try this one on. Alright, so this is the next dress. Again, I'm really in love with this one too. Everything from this company just like seems to fit really well. It's really form-fitting, and it all just feels really good quality. This one feels kind of like a similar material to the one with the slit in it that I tried on. And I love the little things down the front of it, just like the little hooks. I don't know exactly what else I would call them, and I love the front cut of it too. I think it's really cute and like unique. I don't see a lot of like cuts like this, so yeah, this one is definitely a win for me. And this one was $80, I believe, if I didn't mention that already. And everything I tried on pretty much so far is a size small, I believe. So let's get on to the next one. And we have another dress. What a shocker. These ones have like shoulder pads. I've never really worn shoulder pads before, so we'll see how it goes. Alright, so here is this dress. I like this one a lot too. This one is like a velvety sort of material. I think this one was either $50 or $55. But yeah, it's a little low cut, but I feel like it would be really cute. You can either just wear like a bandeau or something under it, or just wear it like this for like a girls' night out, maybe to a club or something. Once we can go to clubs again, since we're in quarantine and we can't do anything right now. But I like this one a lot too. I already have cat fur all over it. So that's one thing. If you have a cat, then this material really sticks to it. But yeah, and I like the bottom, how it's kind of like crisscross over each other. Yeah, this one is really cute too. I'm just in love with this clothing store. All their stuff is so cute. I'm definitely gonna order from them again. Alright, next thing. Man, I swear I don't even remember ordering all these things. Oh, this one also has the little hooks down the front. This is like a different material though. Looks like it's more of like a off the shoulder sort of thing. So let's try this one on. This one was $62 and it's the same size as all the other ones, but for some reason it just doesn't fit. And when I was putting it on, part of this literally ripped. The little sleeve kind of ripped off, so definitely would not recommend this one. I don't know if I can return it or what, but it is way too small and I'm sad. Let me take this one off and then I'll grab the next thing because I'm afraid if I bend over, this is gonna rip. I'll be right back. Okay, let's move on to the next item. I'm sad about that last dress. Alright, this one is a bodysuit. It's kind of a similar style to the dress that just didn't fit, but it's a different material. This one's like a stretchy material, so hopefully this one fits. Let's find out. Alrighty, and here's the next outfit. I really like this one a lot too. It's really like simple, but I think it's cute. This is the black bodysuit. I paired it with some black denim high-waisted shorts. I just really like high-waisted stuff a lot, but you could wear it with whatever you want. And then I put it with some thigh highs. I think really like thigh-high boots would be really cute, but I don't have any, so I had to use what I have. But also, so I got this one in the color white, and this one is a little more see-through. It does have like an extra piece of fabric on the inside, but if that like moves around, which it kind of was, then you could totally see through it. And the white one came with a hole in a sleeve, so I ended up emailing them and letting them know that it came with a hole in it and if I could get my money back or return it or what their policy is. I know we have the whole corona thing going on right now, so I don't know if I'm necessarily going to be able to do anything about it. But the black one is definitely a win, and I like that it has the sleeves too. Since I'm like smaller chested, it makes it so it's easier for it to stay up because a lot of like strapless stuff does not like to stay up on me, and it's very frustrating. But this one is definitely a win. The white one is not, sadly, but at least we're winning in some places here. Alright, let's get to the next outfit. Alright, this is the last outfit. Also, I forgot to mention, I think the two bodysuits were $44 each. And this is the jumpsuit that I got. This one was $65. I don't know. It was really cute on the website, but when I got it, it's like a windbreaker material. And I just feel like I like the loose bottom. Maybe if it was a little tighter up top, it would be like a little more form-fitting. I don't know. I don't hate it, but it's not my favorite. And when I put it on at first, I could not really get it over my butt, which is a surprise to me. But after I like wore it for a little bit, it was easier to put on. It loosened up a bit, but it's still a little tight, and this is a size small, the same size as all the other stuff, so I'm surprised that it doesn't really fit as well as I thought it would. But I mean, I don't know, I don't hate it. So anyways, this is the video, you guys. Overall, I think they had a lot of nice quality. Some of the stuff didn't fit, but it could fit other people. It's just me personally that it didn't fit. And again, I'm not sure what they'll say about the bodysuit that came with a hole in it, but I'll let you guys know in the description if they do end up responding and what they end up saying. Either way, I'm really happy with most of the clothes I got, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you would subscribe to me and like this video, that would be amazing, and I will see you guys next time.